Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply job in Amazon warehouse in USA. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to amazon.jobs. This is the official website of Amazon for jobs. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the Amazon Jobs website, you can search for jobs worldwide. Simply enter the job title for which you want to search for the job, like a warehouse. Next, choose the location. For example, if you're looking for jobs in the United States, type that in the location field. Then, click the search button. Browse through the available positions. Each job listing will include a description, key responsibilities, and qualifications. Click on it to learn more about the requirements. If the job matches your skills, click Apply Now in the top right corner. You'll need to log in with your Amazon account or Google account. Once logged in, confirm your email and verify it with the code sent to you. Fill out the application form with your contact information, work eligibility, and resume. Review everything carefully, then click Submit, and that's it. You've successfully applied for a job at Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.